Hi everyone, I'm here at the Food Fusion Studio to share with you how I make tandoori chicken roll-ups. It's a delicious appetizer recipe. My name is Zeera. Please watch the video and I'll tell you all about myself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have created this recipe especially because I know Food Fusion does such a great job of blending flavors from the East and West. These chicken roll-ups are a must in your kitchen. They are super easy as a snack, as an appetizer. If you have kids, they're super duper kids friendly. So I think you guys should get into your kitchen, test this recipe out so everyone can say,
Arey wow!
So just a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Pakistan and I moved to the US. So over there, it has been such a challenge to learn these recipes that are unique. They have a lot of flavor of both the East and West. I like to experiment with my food, so Food Fusion has definitely helped me along the way. I've shared the recipes with a lot of my friends and they absolutely love it, so if you haven't already checked out their content and their recipes, you definitely need to subscribe and like this video. And again, if you want to watch this recipe and more recipes like this, you can also check me out at my channel. It's Rookie with a Cookie. Link is up here, Food Fusion right here, somewhere along the screen. So I hope you guys give this recipe a go. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.